When a Savannah woman found herself on the losing end of a custom framing job, she contacted me. And here is this WJCL ABC investigative report. Tara Jackson works 2 jobs. When this Savannian is not on the clock, you might find her unwinding with a movie.
I like to watch movies and also collect the memorabilia.
Specifically, autographed posters.
Always put money aside to buy the poster and enough money to have it professionally framed.
In the past, she entrusted her prized posters to Frame of Mind Incorporated, located at Montgomery Cross and White Bluff Roads.
I've liked her work, and that's why I returned with another poster for her.
Little did Jackson know the last time she'd see her $190 autographed Avengers poster was when she dropped it off for custom framing 6 months ago. Owner Lynn Sides took the poster and a 50% deposit. In return, Jackson got this receipt.
My order was taken by Lynn Sides, the owner of the company, and she told me it'll be done in about 2 to 3 weeks. I've been calling.
And what?
No reply.
Jackson figured there was more to the delays. She dropped by the store. What she discovered was discouraging. This is a copy of a picture of the sign that was in the window at the former Frame of Mind shop. In it, it clearly states to locate items left at the shop, call Lynn Sides, and she leaves 2 numbers.
A search of our revenue records showed that really for the first time in about 30 years, Frame of Mind did not renew their business tax certificate in 2013.
Jackson called Sides more than 50 times since December in hopes of seeing her poster again. She got nowhere, and that's why she turned to WJCL News. Tonight on WJCL News at 11, we will close the circle on this story to find out the owner's frame of mind after she closed her shop.